Hi, friends. My name is Sarah. We're solving another math riddle today using algebraic equation and Venn diagram. Let's take a look at the challenge. In a university, a group of 90 students have joined sports. Football is played by 30 students. Volleyball is played by 40 students. Basketball is played by 25 students. 15 students play both football and volleyball. 10 students play both football and basketball. 8 students play both volleyball and basketball. Because of the fitness test fail, 23 students would not be playing any games. We need to find out that. How many students playing all 3 games? To solve this problem, let's break it down step by step. Let's take a look at the first line. 90 students have joined various sports. This tells us that we have total students equals to 90. Let's see the next lines. Football is played by 30 students. Let's assign a variable f to students who play only football. Volleyball is played by 40 students. Assign a variable of e to students who play only volleyball. Basketball is played by 25 students. Assign a variable of b to students who play only basketball. So as we can see that there are 3 main events. A useful way to approach this question is to use Venn diagram, which is a nice visual way of illustrating. To draw a Venn diagram, we need to draw some circles. As we have 3 main events, we are going to draw 3 circles. Now let's start stating the facts. Fact number 1. Total students count equals 90. Let's write it on the top of the diagram. Fact number 2. Football is played by 30 students. Let's assign this value to first circle. Fact number 3. Volleyball is played by 40 students. Let's assign this value to second circle. Fact number 4. Basketball is played by 25 students. Let's assign this value to third circle. Fact number 5. 23 students are not playing any games. Let's state this with NP, not playing, equals 23. Now as you can see, there is a midpoint where all circles are overlapping. We need to find this because it represents the students playing all the games. Let's assign X to this region. So now students playing all the games equals X. Now moving toward the next fact. We are then given that 15 students play both football and volleyball. And these students are represented by this shaded region here. In order to find the number of students, which lie in this outer part, the sum must be equal to 15. Therefore the outer part would be 15 minus x. Because 15 minus x plus x would be equal to 15. Now moving toward the next fact. We're then given that 10 students play both football and basketball. And these students are represented by this shaded region here. In order to find the number of students, which lie in this outer part, the sum must be equal to 10. Therefore the outer part would be 10 minus x. Because 10 minus x plus x would be equal to 10. Now moving toward the next fact. 8 students play both volleyball and basketball. These students are represented by this shaded region here. In order to find the number of students, which lie in this outer part, the sum must be equal to 8. Therefore the outer part would be 8 minus x. Because 8 minus x plus x would be equal to 8. Now moving toward the next fact. We just need to now fill the outer parts of circles in this Venn diagram. Starting with first circle outer part. That is, students who only play football are 30 students. Let's call this circle A. Now let's move towards second circle outer part. That is, students who only play volleyball are 40 students. Let's call this circle B. Now let's move toward the third circle outer part. That is, students who only play basketball are 25 students. Let's call this circle C. Our Venn diagram is complete. Let's use algebraic equations to find the answer. Moving toward the first circle, we can form an equation based on the fact that the sum of all elements in this circle is equal to 30. So the equation will be A plus 15 minus x plus 10 minus x plus x is equals to 30. Let's simplify this equation. A plus 15 minus x plus 10 is equals to 30. Keep simplifying. A plus 25 minus x is equals to 30. A is equals to x plus 30 minus 25. Now we have the value of A. A is equals to x plus 5. Now let's move toward the second circle. We can form an equation based on the fact that the sum of all elements in this circle is equal to 40. So the equation will be B plus 15 minus x plus 8 minus x plus x is equal to 40. Let's simplify this equation. B plus 15 minus x plus 8 is equals to 40. Keep simplifying. B plus 23 minus x is equals to 40. B is equals to x plus 40 minus 23. Now we have the value of B. B is equals to x plus 17. Now let's move toward the third circle. We can form an equation based on the fact that the sum of all elements in this circle is equal to 25. So the equation will be C plus 10 minus x plus 8 minus x plus x is equal to 25. Let's simplify this equation. C plus 10 minus x plus 8 is equals to 25. Keep simplifying. C plus 18 minus x is equals to 25. C is equals to x plus 25 minus 18. Now we have the value of C. C is equals to x plus 7. Now we have all the values we needed to find the value of x, which is basically the number of students playing all the games. Now we can form an algebraic equation to finally find the value of the x. For that we need to add all the equations and also add the students which are not playing any games, which are 23. So let's make the final equation. X plus 5 plus x plus 17 plus x plus 7 plus 15 minus x plus 10 minus x plus 8 minus x plus 23 is equal to 90. Let's simplify this equation. 5 plus 17 plus 7 plus 15 plus 10 plus 8 plus x plus 23 is equal to 90. Keep simplifying. X plus 85 is equal to 90. X is equal to 90 minus 85. We have the value of x. X is equal to 5. We have the answer of our question, which was, how many students are playing all 3 games? So 5 students are playing all 3 games. There we have it. We've successfully solved the problem using Venn diagram and algebraic equations. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more problem-solving content. Remember, understanding these concepts is essential not just for solving problems but for building a solid foundation in mathematics. Until next time, keep learning and keep solving.
If you want to learn much more, explore the channel. Click on subscribe button. Hit the like and bell icon. Bye friend.